Hi students, welcome for Narayana live classes again. And let us start today's assignment now. Very first question in our assignment: what is a lubricant? Students, here, what is a lubricant? The substances which is used for reducing the friction in so many cases. Example, in case of machineries and automobiles, between their parts, internal parts, are called as lubricants. So the substances which reduces friction are called as lubricants, like grease, oil, etc. are examples for lubricants. Question number 2. Why do air cushion between the moving parts is used? Once again I am repeating question. Why do air cushions between the moving parts is used? So air cushions are used to reduce, once again decreases the effect of friction between the moving parts. Air cushions filled with the air only, which is used for decreasing the effect of friction between the moving parts, for reducing the friction. And third question: how can we increase friction? How can we increase friction? So by increasing the area of contact between any two contact surfaces, and as well as roughness of the surface, by increasing the roughness of the surface, automatically friction between any two contact surface is going to be increases. Once again, when two contact surfaces are contact together with a large area, friction is automatically increases, and then roughness of the two contact surfaces will increases, then again friction increases. Question 4. My dear students, why do we pour a few drops of oil on the hinges of door? We know door hinges, where the door is fixed firmly, and that fixed points are only called as hinges. Why do we pour some few drops of oil at the door hinges? So oil is one of the example for lubricant. So when we apply oil at the door hinges, it reduces the friction among the door hinges, and again it should be controlled to wear and tear of the door hinges among them. So that means the door should be long lasting. Do you clear, students? When we apply oil at the door hinges, it reduces the friction between the door hinges, and the door can move freely and smoothly, and it controls the wear and tear of the door hinges, and as well as the door can move freely, and it should be long lasting. Question number 5. Students, here, why are the tires of cars, trucks and bulldozers get threaded? Students, when cars, trucks and bulldozers which are moving on the road with their tires which is contact with the road with a large area, so tires of cars, trucks and bulldozers contact with the road, contact with the road, contact with the road with large area, contact with the road with large area. So that large area which gives comfortable grip between the tires and the road. This is first point. And once again, those tires are threaded when these vehicles are moving on a road. So these threads can reduce the slipping of the tires in wet conditions. So can control the formation of a liquid layer between the road and the tires. So that's why can reduce the slipping of tires in wet conditions. So these threads get weared and teared sometimes. At that time we need to exchange tires, or we need to keep new threads in case of the tires. So that is much of cost, and it is better to buy new tires. Do you understand, my dear students? Once again, when the tires of the cars, trucks and bulldozers which is contact with the road with a large area which gives better and comfortable grip to the tires, and the threads especially which is keeping in case of the tires, so to protect the vehicles from slipping in case of wet conditions, and gives better grip, and sometimes these threads are get weared and teared, and at that time we need to exchange these tires for the vehicles, trucks and bulldozers, students. So these are the answers for all these 5 questions, students. I hope all of you are understand and try to follow neatly, students. Thank you very much.